Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Monday, August the 4th. And if you're in Canada, today is a holiday and the markets in Canada are closed, but the US markets are open. So it is still a trading day if you trade on the US markets. And if we take a look at what's going on in the headlines, a couple of headlines. I mean, last week, Friday, when the payrolls number came out, the Bureau of Labor Statistics revised their last 3 months jobs numbers, and they were much more negative than originally projected. And that caused Donald Trump to fire the lady who was running the Bureau of Labor and Statistics. So effectively, fire the messenger. He's also talked about firing Jerome Powell. So that caused a little bit of uncertainty and angst, maybe some volatility in the market. But it seems like that is all corrected over the weekend. We see that Tesla has approved a $30 billion stock award for Elon Musk, which is interesting based on how much damage he's done to his own company. And then the Swiss are in a race to try to get rid of their 39% tariff that the US has imposed on them arbitrarily, and a bunch of other stuff coming in. Let more noise than anything else. If we take a look at the markets here in the Bloomberg and the futures, all of the futures are up and in the green, which is a bit of a surprise. I thought we'd see a continued pullback today and into this week with the tariffs coming into effect on the 7th, this week, and then with the announcement on the 1st, which was last Friday, about their implementation and then the arbitrary numbers that have been assigned. But nevertheless, things are in the green, which is positive starting off the day. And we've got some major earnings today. So if we scroll to the bottom of the Yahoo Finance app, you're going to see the earnings for the 4th, and that's Palantir after market close, IDEX Laboratories, and On Semiconductor. Now, remember with On, Texas Instruments had an abysmal earnings report and dove. We'll have to see whether the same applies to On because they do a lot of semiconductors for the automotive space. Palantir, the price to earnings ratio and price to sales is just astronomical. Now, it's up in the pre-market, but whether it can hold that, I have to question. I think Palantir is going to come down and have a bit of a reset. And then IDEX, not one I follow any longer. And then tomorrow, we've got a list of others that are announcing there. Good luck in your trades today. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe.